Take a look at this screenshot. We made $3,627 in affiliate commissions, pretty much passive income from one of our JVZoo affiliate accounts. Now, everybody would look at the $3,000 first, which is not the most important number. The most important number here is this number, the number of visitors. These are the customers who paid us this money. Now you might be asking, where are these customers and why did they pay me money? I'm gonna answer this in this video, and you will learn how to make this amount of money every single day without experience, without technical knowledge, without a website, without hosting server, without mailing list, even without a social following. Sounds good? Are we ready? Before we begin, the goal of this channel is to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we can't achieve it without your help. All we want from you is a hit in the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, email contacts, WhatsApp contacts, Telegram contacts, everyone you know who needs to learn how to make money online. This way you help us, help others, and you help your friends and family learn how to make money online. They will become your fans, your followers, and they will eventually become your first customers and clients. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money-making video. Let's begin. The truth is, we make money making videos, but not really these videos. On our 20 plus channels, we make videos using our software Epic. Epic is free for my YouTube viewers, link is in the description. So we use Epic to answer queries, questions, and solve problems of paying customers. The customers who are waiting with their credit cards ready to pay to get answers of their queries. So where are the customers? We use simple softwares like Uber Suggest. It's almost free, literally very cheap, but it makes us millions of dollars. Let me show you. I just searched with Shopify, and now I'm looking at all the keywords that Shopify interested people search on the internet. What's Shopify? Shopify is an online store builder, and it's expensive. It's not free. Users pay monthly recurring fees to be able to use Shopify and own their stores on Shopify. But that's not all. Shopify has bigger problems. To make Shopify more useful, you need to add add-ons, and those add-ons will charge monthly recurring fees individually. So it takes a lot of money to run a store on Shopify. So we built Grants. Grants allows users to build online stores and provide all the useful necessary add-ons for a one-time price. That's the solution of one of the biggest problems of all store owners and everyone who wants to own an online store. So here is the strategy. People are already searching with these keywords on the internet. What we do is use our software Epic, link is in the description. We make videos using artificial intelligence. Epic allows us to make videos without recording ourselves, without using camera, without using microphone, without writing script. Epic writes the scripts for us using artificial intelligence and then turns the script into natural sounding voiceover. And Epic builds videos using image, links, and texts. And we spend 3 to 5 minutes of our times and make 1 minute long videos and publish them on YouTube. I just searched on my phone using the keyword Shopify and look at the shorts feed. Now, I don't know if you can see the number of views. There are thousands of views on each shorts. Why am I showing you shorts? Because shorts is popular and it's a new feature on YouTube. And in order to make shorts popular, YouTube is trying their best to send all the customers to shorts and inspire the shorts and shorts creators. So yes, using Epic, you can build larger videos, longer videos, and you can make 1 minute long shorts, get thousands of views, and those views are the visitors, are the customers who will pay you money. Now, by offering grants to these people who are looking for answers about Shopify, we actually make $5 from every visitor. So from 12,000 visitors, we made $64,000. So what we do is pretty simple. We make 1 minute long videos, and then at the end of the video, we say, hey, if you want your store at a one-time price, you can check out grants. Link is in the first comment and in the description. People click those links, they buy, and we make money. It's pretty simple. Customers who are ready to pay for their queries and solve their problems get their answers. They love our videos and content, and they happily buy our software. Cool? By the way, I will drop a link to Grant's website in the description. You can grab it if you want. Another way to make easy money is to use our speech-to-text software. You can see a software running at the bottom part of this video. This automatic AI software is basically transcribing or turning my speech into text automatically. This software is free for my YouTube viewers. Link is in the description, grab it. Offer your transcription service on Fiverr. This person made $365,000 from offering 1 gig. Record your journey in the form of videos using Epic. Bundle them up and upload them on Udemy. This person sold his course to 26,532 students at a price point of $13.99 and made $371,000 in the process. Udemy has 103 million monthly customers. They are desperately looking to learn new skills from new courses. And a lot of them, like 21%, are from Google. So you're basically getting customers from Google by uploading your videos on Udemy. Super simple. They start from Epic. Go grab Epic from the link in the description. Make videos using artificial intelligence without using camera and microphone. Also use my transcription software to make money from Fiverr or any other freelancer sites. Record your experience and sell your experience as a course on Udemy. That's an additional $700,000, $0.7 million. All right, all the links are in the description. Let's move on to the next one. As we were talking about a supermarket, let me show you unlimited money from supermarket. Go to Google Maps, it's free, and look for supermarkets. Now I'm saying supermarkets, you can literally search anything. I use supermarkets and make money from my local area. So we search for businesses and we check their phone numbers and their contact addresses and contact them asking, hey, do you have a mobile app? They would say no. If they say no, we say, we can build a mobile app for you. Most of your customers are mobile users. Through your app, they can order online. A lot of them says yes, and they ask for our price. We say $1,000. They say, oh no, it's too much money. We say, hey, look, if you make $300 extra from the application this month, then in the next 3 months, you'll make $1,000 back. After that, this application is free and it keeps making money for you. And from us, you'll get 1 year free maintenance. And basically, there is no maintenance. For this service, we use a software called App Owls. App Owls make mobile apps in just 60 seconds. I will leave a link in the description. Check out how it works, how you can make money in many different ways. This is the demo, detailed 10 minutes demo of App Owls. Check this video before you make purchase and go through all the benefits of this application. I personally know the creator. He's one of my very good friends. He also lives in Dubai, and their customer support is awesome. Using App Owls, you can literally serve anyone and make applications for anyone. There are hundreds of thousands of businesses who are ready to pay for their online apps or their mobile apps, but they don't know who to hire. Find them on Google Maps, contact them via email or SMS or WhatsApp message. They're ready to take any deals. They know that money makes money. If you have never sent any offers via email, then I have email tools in the description. You can grab that and use it to send proposals to businesses and start making money. App Owls will cost you $39, $35. I definitely recommend commercial. You need commercial license for offering your service to businesses. But from just one deal, you can make 10 times to 50 times money. We have it, we use it, and we recommend you go ahead, use it. We send offers to customers and make money. Here are all your customers waiting for you. Go ahead, grab everything from the link in the description. We just made a money-making Amazon product review using our artificial intelligence software Epic. First, I will show you the product review that we made, and then I will show you how we made it step by step. So let's begin.
Your brand new iPhone can break if it drops from your hand. We read an article on CNET.com that a drop from hip height can break the back.
Now I'm going to fast forward and quickly show you how we made the whole product review in just a couple of minutes. We basically copied, pasted texts whenever we needed. Whenever we need the image, we simply copy the image URL, paste it, right here, hit enter, and immediately the image is on the canvas. How cool is that? Pan it, rotate it, make it smaller, bigger, do whatever you want. You want to add some text to describe something? Copy from anywhere, go to the text section of Epic and just paste it. Then simply click the add text button and the text is here, and you can do all kind of formatting, rotating, panning, zooming as you want, change font if you want, change color to meet your taste. To add a voiceover, go to the audio section, text to audio section, click the add button, give it a title, choose type of voiceover and the voice artist of your choice, add the script, edit it if you want, add, delete, do whatever you want. Whenever you are happy, click the submit button and your voiceover is ready. So awesome. Go to the text audio section, click add, and the voiceover is added to the clip. And formatted the text. Whenever we need image, simply copy the URL of the image, go to the image section, paste it, and the image is added. Then we take screenshots. This is a free screenshot grabbing software we use, which is basically a Google Chrome extension. And here is the customer testimonial section. Just added customer testimonials because it has such an awesome feedback from the customers. We customize the text whenever we need, however we want it, just to match our taste, to make it as nice, as professional as possible. Basic editor, but very powerful. It has everything you need. Now, when we want to add a voiceover, we just need to grab a text from anywhere, add the text, and turn it into a natural voiceover. To make it natural and real voiceover, sometimes we add, sometimes we edit, and sometimes we use our AI, built-in artificial intelligence, to modify the text, and then take that text, put it in the text to voice section and turn it into a voiceover. There are total 6 sections and it took total 10 to 15 minutes of your time to make a money-making persuasive product review. And whenever you are done, simply click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. But that's not our only goal. Our goal is to help 100 million people learn how to make money online in the next 10 years. And we cannot do it without your help. All we need from you is a hit in the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, email contacts, WhatsApp contacts, Telegram contacts, everyone you know. This way you help us help others, and you help your friends and family learn how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first paying customers and clients. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.